Looking ahead to later in the day, this is the shape of tomorrow evening on BBC1, which gets underway at 7 with the comedy film which stars Rodney Dangerfield as a middle-aged, self-made millionaire who goes back to school. The comedy continues at 8:30 when Diane Bull takes on the role of a woman determined to triumph over adversity, sitting pretty. Following the 9 o'clock news at 9:30, Peter Taylor continues his series States of Terror, looking at how the Pentagon devised ways of retaliating against the Islamic fundamentalists who challenged the most powerful nation on earth. Sports nights at 10:20 featuring boxing between Herbie Hyde and Jeff Lampkin, and there's football with highlights of that Norwich City game. Rounding off the evening at 11:30, Spencer's hired to investigate a woman's brutal murder and so becomes embroiled in racial prejudice with the United States Navy and a runaway Polish sailor. Tomorrow evening on BBC1. Now let's take a look at the weather. Strong winds will push heavy rain from the south and west during the night. The far north and east will be clearer and colder with some patchy ice and frost. Scotland and northeast England will have a frosty start, but cloud and rain in the south will move quickly north and east with snow over northern hills. Clearer weather with blustery showers will follow from the west by the evening. There'll be further snow over Scotland during the afternoon. It'll be a windy day with severe westerly gales spreading from the west as the day wears on. And the day has worn on for BBC1. That's about it for another night. All that's left for me to do is to guide you around the dial of BBC Radio, beginning with Radio 1, where you'll now find Lynn Parsons. On Radio 2, it's Steve Madden, and on Radio 4's longwave frequency, you'll find the BBC World Service. But from all of us here on BBC1, this is David Miles wishing you a peaceful night. Join us again tomorrow if you can. Good night.